Hey everyone! Welcome back to Carpe Diem. Today, we're delving into a transformative mindset shift known as spectator mode. Ever considered playing both the actor and audience in your own life story? ETs explore how this perspective can elevate your personal growth. Spectator mode is like watching a movie where you're the lead character. It's about stepping back, observing your choices, and gaining insights from a third-person perspective. Now, let's dive into the benefits. Boost self-awareness by understanding your motivations and behaviors. Gain a more objective view of your experiences, making informed decisions. Hit pause emotionally in intense situations, promoting effective emotional regulation. Turn every experience into an opportunity for continuous growth. Activate spectator mode with mindfulness practices like meditation and reflective journaling. Visualize yourself in different scenarios, adopting a third-person perspective for fresh insights. Share experiences with yourself or a friend to uncover overlooked perspectives. Apply spectator mode to tough conversations, work stress, or pursuing goals. Watch these scenes as if they were part of a movie and discover new ways to navigate life's challenges. Give spectator mode a try and share your experiences in the comments. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more. Until next time, embrace the observer within and make every scene in the movie of your life spectacular.